Have been hearing Restream, and you are confused. How do I go about this Restream? And you don't know how to go about it because you have been hearing things like, I use Restream to get my 4,000 watch hours in 3 days. I use Restream to get my 1,000 subscribers in a day, and I use Restream to monetize. All these kind of things is possible, but you don't know how to go about it. Don't worry, this video is here for you. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use your Restream, tutorial on how to set up your Restream account, tutorial on how to upload your live video, and tutorial account on how to loop your videos on live. Hi, I'm Chioma. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time of coming across this page, you're welcome. And on this page, I teach you on how to go on your social media, editing, and how to make money online. So if this is what you're interested in, then do well to hit that subscribe button so that you can join the channel, because trust me, I have a lot of goodies in store for you and you won't want to miss out on that. And if I'm a returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. Now in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to set up your Restream account and how to upload your live videos, how to loop your videos and everything. You might be wondering, what's Restream? What's Restream? I've been hearing a lot of Restream. Restream is that website that allows you to go live. You go live without you being there, without you being on live. Now in this Restream, you can do your videos, edit your videos, and save your videos in your phone and upload it in that Restream app so that it can go live at any time you want it to go live without you being on your camera. Restream for you. So I'll be teaching you how to set up your Restream and how to go about your Restream. Now let's go.
So now I'll be going into my search engine and I'm using the Chrome for it. Now I'm going to type restream.io. I'm going to wait for it to load because I want to show you guys the practical way on how to set up your account in this website and everything you need to know about it. If you are new to the platform, you'll be required to sign up with email and password because you are new to it. So this is how it is. You can stream on many platforms, as many as you like. Now we are going to be signing up because we are new to the platform, so I'll be showing you how to sign up with this. And you are going to use your email for the sign up. The email that you are using to run that your YouTube account, that's the email you are going to be using to sign up. A link will be sent to your Gmail account for you to be able to confirm your account and for you to be able to activate your account. Without that link, you cannot activate your account and you cannot be able to upload your video for live stream. So immediately after your sign up, do want to go to your Gmail account and check for your confirmation link, please. It is very necessary. Now after the confirmation link, and when you click the confirmation link, you are going to be directed to this website. You are going to be directed to this website. Now as an iPhone user, you have to use the Safari for this. It won't work in Chrome, so make sure that when you click that link that is being sent to your email, that it takes you directly to the Safari. Please, it is very, very important. Then next, we are going to click on Restream Studio because we want to set up our account. We want to make everything to be perfect. So we are going to click on Restream Studio so that it will take us to where we are going to upload our videos. Now when you click on it, you are going to see studio.restream. We would like access to microphone and camera. Yes, because they want access to it. You are going to click on allowed. When we click on allowed, you are going to input your name. This place they said your name. Make sure you input your name of your channel so that people will know is you don't gonna write another name. Input the name of the channel, input the name that people know you for. Please, it is very, very important. Then when you input the name, you are going to click on enter studio. Now let me write the name of my YouTube channel exactly. So I'm going to click on enter studio so that they will take me to where I am going to upload my videos and do my settings. You don't need to be scared. You just have to trust this app, like they are reliable when it comes to doing your live stream without you being on your camera. Like, is that easy? Is that easy? Seriously, is that easy? Then it's going to bring us here where we are going to do our setup, because this is where everything is going to start. Now make sure you click on this ratio that is giving kind of TikTok ratio. Yes, make sure you click on that ratio because you want your live stream to be in a TikTok form ratio. Please, like, this is where all the setup is going to be done, and I'm going to teach you attentively. Please pay attention, and please, if you are still here, do well to subscribe to join this wonderful channel. And if you enjoyed this video, do well to leave a comment in the comment section. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Now make sure you click the point where it's going to give you a TikTok ratio form, please, because you want your live stream to be in a TikTok ratio form. Then we are going to be uploading video that we are going to be using for this live stream. Now we are going to be clicking these things. You can see you can set up your questions. Like, we have a whole lot of things you can do with this website. You can see there's a place for music, but I will not advise you to add any music. There's a place for scene and everything. There's a place you can edit the title of the video you want to do. So you can see there are a lot of things you can do with this website. Now let's add a video. You are going to click on add source, then you are going to see these icons. You will click on video because you want to upload video. If you want to invite guests, you have to click on invite guests. If you want to add image, but it's video, we're going to click on video. You can see select one video. Now I'm going to wait for it to load because my network is very bad, but remember, watch attentively. If possible, get your pen and paper to jot down these things so that you won't be confused at all. Now you can see upload video. Because I want to upload a video for this live stream, I'm going to click on upload video. I'm going to click on photo library. So these are my photos. Then I will just pick one, any one of my choice. I will not pick any one of my choice for this video. Sorry about this. I'll not click any one of my choice for this video. I'm just going to use a shorter video. I don't want something long because I just want this video to be short. I'm just going to pick on one short video. Which video exactly? That's the one I'm going to click on for it to upload. Now we are going to click on upload. The video will start uploading. So you have to wait for this video to be uploaded into the website so that you can be able to use that video to go live. So this is the reason why I said it's not must you must see that on your camera to go live. All you just have to do with this website is do your video, edit your video, and come to this website and upload your video for it to be able to go live, and just loop it. You can just do a 20 minutes video and loop it for like hours. Exactly, and loop it. So this is it. You just have to upload the video to this website, and as you can see, it is uploading now. It is in 67%. It is just going to take time, but after uploading, it is going to do processing. If you can remember, like YouTube, when you want to upload your videos on YouTube, after uploading, it will process. So that's the same thing this website does. It uploads. After uploading, it also processes the video. Now the video is processing, as you can see, and very soon to be done. Now it is completed. The video has been uploaded. So now we have done with uploading video. I hope you understand. Please, if you don't understand, do well to leave a question. Then I'm going to click on the S, and now I'm going to wait for the video to come up on the stream. I'm going to wait for the video to come up on the screen. As I'm waiting for the video, let me show you how to connect your channel. As you can see, you can go live on Facebook, you can go live on YouTube, you can go live on Tweet, you can go live on Twitter, like a whole lot of platform. Now, for you to connect your YouTube, you have to click on YouTube. Click on YouTube and click on add channel. Then you will click on channel because you want to connect your channel to this website so it can be easier for you to go live. Then you now click on connect your YouTube. When you click on connect your YouTube, it will take you to a place where you're going to fill a Gmail form. You are going to fill a Gmail form for the connection. Then you are going to allow it to sign in. Then you're going to see your channel has been added. You will click on public button because you want to, whenever you go live, let it be public, not private. You will click on public. So that is it on how to add your YouTube channel. Click on connect YouTube, then allow it to log in, like sign in with your Gmail account. Then when you sign in, you're going to see somewhere they wrote public. Then you just click on it so that whenever you go live, your live stream is going to be public and not private. So you have to give it command. You have to allow it to have access to some things before it can be able to go live. then you will click on save. Now as you can see, the video has been uploaded. So that is what I'm telling you. The video has been uploaded. So all you just have to do is to make your video, come here and upload your videos. Play around with these things. You can see there's somewhere for titles, there is somewhere for comment, there is somewhere for invite guests, like a whole lot of things with this website. So try as much as you can to play around with it and learn a lot of things. Now for you to loop your video, because I know that's what you want here, you come to these three dots, yes, exactly that place. You will come here, click on it, you will see loop video. You will click on loop video. That is just it. For you to loop your video, remember, come to that three dots and click on loop video. That is how to loop your video. So this is it on how to move around with this Restream, how to upload your video, how to go live on Restream, how to set up your account on Restream, and also I'll be making a video on things, on hidden truths you need to know about this Restream. Like before you decide to go live, you need to watch that video and I'll upload it next.
So this is it on how to set up your Restream account and everything you need to know about the Restream setup. I don't want this video to be long. I'm going to make a separate video on things you need to know before starting that your Restream account, before using it, the advantage and disadvantage of Restream. I'm going to be posting it very soon on this page. So please, if you know that's what you're going to be interested in, do want to subscribe and turn on your notification bar, because if you don't turn it on when I post that video, trust me, you won't know, and you are going to miss it. So please subscribe and turn your notification bar on so that you notify whenever a new video is being uploaded. Thank you and see you guys in my next video. Bye.